Hey folks, just gonna post a video on putting fog lights on a work truck 2500 Chevy Silverado 2020 2021 model. Kind of share with you where I went wrong and now how it's gonna go a lot quicker for you guys. Give you the basics here. So I just now got that light in. Took me about 3 hours figuring out the wrong way to do it and then kind of the right way to do it. I'm gonna pull out that blank now and go ahead and show you guys what I discovered removing the blank on that one, and how to save you a lot of headache. And anyhow, I got the Gen 5 wiring kit here, and then I got some aftermarket LED bulbs from eBay. This was about 120 bucks. It came with a little wiring kit too, but I wanted the kit that came with so it'd come on with the vehicle when you had your lights on or off, so you didn't have to install a little switch. But yeah, that was no fun. So I'll go ahead and point out what I discovered on this Chevy 2500 work truck model. Hop under here. So after, you'll see looking up there the back of the blank, and you know, I didn't want to take anything apart to get it out, but what I ended up doing without having to remove the bumper, and just to let you know, that third bolt up there to the left, you're not going to be able to get that back in when you install the aftermarket fog light without taking the bumper out. But I bolted mine up with the two on this side, and it seems pretty firm. But backing out here, this little cross beam right here, you save yourself a lot of headache. Just drop this bar, and then this little cross link here, which you unbolt from one of the bolts underneath here on the other side of the bumper. End up in here, that bolt right there, that's just this little arm to the bumper. It allows your hand a lot more access, and you can't get the bulb in without taking it out, the assembly I mean. So basically that's it. I'm going to remove this cross beam, this little crossbar, and then proceed to take the bolts out of that. And that one up there in the left is a pain in the butt, so to speak. Getting your hands in there is no fun. So yeah, and then of course installation is reverse of removal. So yeah, but that bolt up there to the left, tons of fun. And you might want to pull out some of these other bolts that stick up from underneath the bottom of the bumper, because I scratched the hell out of my hand fighting it before I move this crossbar and everything. So keep that in mind if you don't have gloves or something. So good luck, folks. But yeah, try to get another view here, get a kind of more overall view. That crossbar, and then that little cross member up there behind it. Pull those two guys out, and you can get it in without taking the bumper off, minus that one upper bolt that you won't be able to get back in. So good luck, folks.